Another thing we can say, another dua we can say, أسألك الرضا بعد القضاء. That, oh Allah, I ask you for rida, for happiness, for being pleased with your decree after your decree happens. Meaning, after you bring about a decree, I ask you to grant me rida, happiness with it also. That I am not upset, I am not angry. Because you see, sometimes it's difficult to accept certain things. Right? It's difficult to accept certain losses, that you are not able to move past it. You are stuck in your grief, and you are allowed to grieve. But being stuck in it does not allow you to move on. And moving on does not mean that you have to forget about what happened, the pain that you experienced. No, it means that you have to move ahead, because there are still things to do in life. So, أسألك الرضا بعد القضاء. Ask Allah to grant you pleasure with His decree.